So we did this patio here. It's a 12 by 12 patio. It got dirty when the electrician was running electrical to the pool pump. But we did the bridge and we added a side step onto the new patio. We just finished this up today. We've been here for the last, let's see, we started on Thursday and we just finished it today. So the client's yard slopes down, as you can see. So I recommended doing a bridge system. Has 3 steps with a landing, another 3 steps and a landing, and another 4 steps with a flare out into the pool.